Replacing the windows in your home is one of the best ways to improve comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. In a place like Richland Hills, where hot summers and seasonal storms are common, having high-quality windows installed correctly can make a noticeable difference in your home's performance. However, many homeowners make avoidable mistakes during the window replacement process that can lead to higher costs, reduced efficiency, or long-term problems. Understanding these common mistakes can help you make smarter decisions and get the most value from your investment. Choosing windows based only on price. One of the most frequent mistakes homeowners make is selecting replacement windows based solely on the lowest price. While staying within budget is important, extremely cheap windows often sacrifice quality, insulation, or durability. In Richland Hills, where temperatures can climb significantly in the summer, poorly made windows may allow heat to enter your home and drive up cooling costs. Instead of focusing only on price, look for windows that offer energy efficiency, strong materials, and reliable warranties. Investing in quality windows up front can save you money on energy bills and future repairs. Ignoring energy efficiency ratings. Not all windows perform the same when it comes to insulation and energy performance. Some homeowners overlook important features such as double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, or gas-filled panes designed to reduce heat transfer. In the Richland Hills climate, energy-efficient windows help keep indoor temperatures stable while reducing the workload on your air conditioning system. Checking ratings like U factor and solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, can help you choose windows designed for Texas weather. Hiring the wrong installer. Even the best windows will not perform well if they are installed incorrectly. Poor installation can lead to air leaks, moisture problems, drafts, and reduced lifespan for your windows. Many homeowners underestimate how important professional installation is. Choosing an experienced window replacement contractor in Richland Hills ensures the windows are measured correctly, sealed properly, and installed according to manufacturer standards. Before hiring a contractor, check reviews, ask for references, and confirm they have experience with the specific type of windows you are installing. Failing to measure correctly. Accurate measurements are essential for a proper window fit. A window that is too small may leave gaps that allow air and moisture to enter, while one that is too large may require costly modifications to the window opening. Professional installers typically measure multiple times to ensure precision. Attempting to estimate measurements yourself can lead to expensive ordering mistakes and project delays. Overlooking the importance of proper sealing and insulation around the window frame are just as important as the window itself. If the area around the window is not properly sealed, drafts and moisture can still enter the home, reducing the energy efficiency of your new windows. High-quality flashing, insulation, and caulking help protect your home from water damage and improve indoor comfort. This is especially important during heavy Texas storms. Not considering window style and function. While appearance matters, functionality should not be overlooked. Some homeowners choose window styles that look great but do not fit their daily needs. For example, windows placed in hard-to-reach areas should be easy to open and clean. Think about ventilation, ease of maintenance, and how the window will be used before choosing a style. Skipping warranty and maintenance information. Many homeowners forget to review the manufacturer's warranty or the maintenance requirements for their new windows. Understanding what is covered and how to maintain your windows can help protect your investment. A strong warranty and proper care can extend the life of your windows and ensure they continue performing efficiently. Making a smart window replacement decision. Window replacement is a valuable upgrade for homeowners in Richland Hills, but avoiding common mistakes is key to achieving the best results. By choosing quality materials, prioritizing energy efficiency, and working with experienced professionals, you can enjoy better comfort, lower energy costs, and improved home value for years to come.